Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best micro drone on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. IFlight Micro Drone. The IFlight Alpha A75 is a high-quality FPV racer designed for both indoor and outdoor racing. The IFlight Alpha A75 3's Micro Whoop has a built-in mounting platform for the orthopedic drone FPV camera, R820T2 chip, as well as an onboard micro FPV LCD screen. This FVP drone is a complete FPV quadcopter racing package. The IFlight Alpha A75 is a BNF drone, meaning that you don't need to purchase a transmitter, just bind the drone to your DSM-X DSM-2 FPV system and fly with sticks on your transmitter. With its plug-in system, you can upgrade the drone as you wish. The IFlight Alpha A75 is perfect for any experienced FPV pilot as a second or third racing quad or as a great FPV camera drone for beginners. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor flight. This drone has a 6-axis gyro, which is easy to control. It's very stable. Especially, it has a headless mode, which makes it easier to control. Number 4. SemiMicrodrone. The SYMA X20 Black 2.4 GHz Mini Micro RC drone is a great addition to any collection. It is compact and super easy to use. This aerodynamic drone is made of durable plastic with a metal frame that prevents damage in case of a fall. It is controlled by a remote control and is easy to maneuver. It is built-in LED lights for night flying. This amazing drone has 4 channels for 360-degree flips, left-right turns and forward-backward motion. An ideal choice for drone enthusiasts of all ages, it is lightweight and recommended for indoor use. This SYMA X20 Black is a great gift idea. This RC drone features a 6-axis flight system for precise movement. It has an up-down, left-right and forward-backward tilt. It has a malfunctioning return feature and a 360-degree rotary heading. It comes with a 1.4 GHz transmitter. It also has a 4-channel function with digital proportional remote control. It has a USB charging cable for the remote included. Number 3. Tiny Hawk Micro Drone. The Emax Tiny Hawk Micro FPV drone is a real life-size drone with a 3-inch propeller that can be flown both indoors and outdoors. It is a complete ready-to-fly RTF model that comes with a built-in 720p FPV camera with a protected 2.4 GHz 5.8G live video transmission system with a range of up to 300 meters. Each model is equipped with a unique 3D printed and laser engraved logo. The 720p HD camera is capable of recording video and still images, and the drone also has a headless mode and altitude hold function. The Emax Tiny Hawk is made up of full carbon fiber material, premium landing skids and frame, a full set of spare propellers, a drone battery and adapter, a 2.4 GHz remote controller and a USB charging cable. The innovative Emax Tiny Hawk is a quadcopter that is ready to fly straight out of the box with a transmitter that requires no assembly. It comes with a full spare portion of propellers, a drone battery and an adapter. The drone's video transmitter needs to be powered by 4 AA batteries, and the drone itself charges via a USB charging cable. Number 2. Propel Toys Micro Drone. The Propel Atom 1.0 Micro Drone is an incredible remote control quadcopter that allows you to take amazing photos and videos from the sky. Its easy to use, lightweight and compact design makes it the perfect beginner quad that you can take just about anywhere. The Propel Atom makes a perfect gift for any kid and adult who has a passion for flight, photography, skydiving and RC drone building. The Atom 1.0 flies farther and faster than many larger drones on the market, with a flight radius of up to 100 feet. The Propel Atom drone is ready to fly and comes with a fully functioning controller that also acts as a charger for the drone. A 5.8 GHz signal ensures that the drone has a long range and a tough signal that can pass through walls. The Propel Atom drone comes with a removable USB drive that holds all the programming software to control the drone. You can also use your own device to control the Propel Atom drone. A great drone for people who are just getting into drones and want to learn the basic controls and moves, as well as more experienced pilots that are looking for a drone that has a mind of its own. This drone is recommended for ages 10 and up. Number 1. Holyton Micro Drone. Holyton micro-drone for boys and girls, 21 minutes long flight time, can fly indoor-outdoor with 2.4 GHz technology, mini size for indoor flight, portable for travel, with unique wheel design, no need install, let you fly and play easily. Holyton micro-drone for boys and girls, 21 minutes long flight time, can fly indoor-outdoor with 2.4 GHz technology, mini size for indoor flight, portable for travel, with unique wheel design, no need install, let you fly and play easily. Holyton quadcopter is suitable for indoor and outdoor flying due to its foldable arm and flexible propellers. Holyton drone is a kid's drone and mini drone. It is suitable for kids and beginners, provides amusement during the spare time, and meet the needs of kids' play. Holyton micro drone has ultra-fine workmanship. It is equipped with an HD camera, can bring you vivid and wonderful photos and videos. Holyton mini drone for kids is a wonderful toy for both kids and adults. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.